Websim.ai is a website integrating an AI to simulate an infinite web. You can input any URL, any protocol, and you will get an output. In this series of episodes, we're going to attempt to recreate this system. In this first episode, we're going to try to understand how this website works. Let's get starting. When you first get into the website, you have two main sections, a search input and a list of all the most recent websites created. When clicking on the search bar, a few more options show up. There's a list of eyes that you can choose and a history of the previously generated websites. This history allows the AI to have a reference when you ask it to change only a part of the website. Here, I'm going to ask the AI something unusual, and we're going to see the results. As expected, we can see that this AI does not handle the CSS properties very well. The websites generated are thus often not mobile-friendly, and you will have to use a lot of prompts to get a nice result. We're going to make the AI attempt to fix that. We can see that this AI has not been fine-tuned on HTML documents. It just has some instructions telling it to spit out HTML. It would do as nice as if we asked it to generate a Python code. Here's how we're going to do that. First, we need to choose an AI. We could have chosen an API, but API can be slow, have a rate limit, and an AI token limit. We thus have to choose a local model. A good model to use would be Catalama from Olama, but it doesn't have enough parameters, and creativity won't be very high. I've recently stumbled upon Mixtrolate X22B, which is, as its name suggests, a mix of 8 eyes of about 22 billion parameters each. It is able to achieve tasks as well as GPT-4. After having set up the model, we're going to fine-tune it on some real HTML. To get these HTMLs, we're going to code a crawler, which will get the HTML and store it in a database. Another AI will have to create a description for each of them. We will then give the description of the HTML as an input and train the AI to associate it to the HTML. Before making this system public, we'll add some additional mechanisms, the HTML history, and some others. Don't hesitate to give some other ideas in the comments. And finally, we will try our finished AI using a beautiful and comfortable UI.